Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. And today the markets fell more than what we expected and more than what SGX Nifty indicated. And the markets opened just within few minutes it has fallen. And in the morning around 9:30 I saw Nifty trading around 18,180, a Nifty future. I think throughout the day it was just plus or minus 20-25 point up or down, and throughout the day it continued that level. So today morning I expected Nifty to take support around 18,180, but it did not take support there. It fell below that. For most part of the day it was trading below 18,180. Nifty future only was trading around 18,180. And today I did not expect HDFC twins to do so badly. And I think HDFC has fallen nearly 80 rupees from the recent high, more than 80 rupees. And today HDFC twins, Reliance, Infosys, TCS. So these 5 stocks alone contributed for more than 100 points for the Nifty fall. Nifty fell about 150 points, and out of that more than 2/3 of the fall came only from these 5 stocks. And which are the 2 more stocks in the Heritic 7? So Kotak Bank, that also fell, and finally ICICI Bank is the only stock that did not fall much. So today it is a concentrated heavyweight selling, and that's why the mid cap and small cap have outperformed hugely. And the selling in the Heritic 7 stocks except ICICI Bank, and then ITC also came into severe selling pressure. So out of the top 8 stocks, 7 stocks fell drastically. So that is the reason why we have fallen so much. And now 18,200 is broken decisively, and looking at the open interest, people have started selling 18,200 CE, 18,300 CE and 18,400 CE. So which means that now the resistance will be there at every level, and starting from 18,300, because 18,200 call option people would have sold around 80-90 rupees premium. So the resistance will be around 18,280. A put option only at 18,000. So although the 18,000 to 80,500 is held, but it is quite disappointing that we are moving towards the lower end of the trading range. And that too, the global cues were not good, but they are not really that bad. And more European markets open, they are almost flat with some negative bias, but our fall is very big. And IT sector has hugely underperformed, and Bank Nifty was not really very bad, but the Nifty is the one which has fallen much more than Bank Nifty. I'm talking in terms of percentage. Technically, on Friday itself, Nifty has become short, and today its reflection is there. And last 1 hour on Friday, Nifty shot up nearly 100 points. Now everything was wiped out, and Nifty has fallen even more. At the end of the day, FIIs were seller for about 1,600 crore, 1,594 crore, and the domestic institutions have bought equally 1,623 crore. So that is why it was going up down like that, but still Nifty traded between 18,150 to 18,200 only. So now clearly markets are turning slightly bearish. As long as 18,000 is holding, so we can hope for the recovery. So otherwise market will become more bearish. I actually expected like around 18,500 to 18,600 for this month expiry, but the way markets are moving, I don't think that it's going to happen unless something changes in the global markets, so the global markets turn green. But today FIIs, I think for the 3rd consecutive day they were seller, and they were seller for big quantities, but the domestic institutions are in no mood to give up on the markets, so they are completely supporting. So this equal buying and selling make the market to consolidate only. so not breaking down. By looking at the market setup, so now 18,000 support is the only thing we have to hope. And today what I did, I sold 18,400 call option. In fact, Friday I told you I closed most of my positions because I don't want to carry stock options into the last week. And index option, I'm expecting Nifty to trade between 18,000 and 18,400. So I sold both 18,000 put option and 18,400 call option. So I'm expecting Nifty to trade within this range. So of course, the things in stock market, things can change within an hour. And but right now, I'm expecting the consolidation to continue because there are no major news, and US markets also. The only news in the US market is the Fed minutes. I think that Fed minutes is not going to be very bad, and with the way the crude is falling, and I think we can expect some better consumer inflation data next month also. So, and also I think this Friday is a holiday for US market, so it's a truncated week. So anyway, we will see what happens for the next few days. So markets are getting more and more bearish very clearly, and people on Friday they sold 18,400 call option heavily. So they all have made very good profit because the premiums have collapsed. So now the people are selling 18,200, 18,300, 18,400, and I also sold 18,400. But I sold 18,400 call as well as 18,000 put option, both for about 25 rupees each. So that means my upper break-even will be 18,450, lower break-even will be 17,950. Let us see where the US market closes, and we will see the rest of the things tomorrow morning. Clearly, the index heavyweights are coming under selling pressure. So the rest we will discuss tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.